Hello everyone, welcome to Narayana Tech House. In our data analytics series, I am going to explain data analytics very interestingly. So please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and share our videos to your friends also. Okay, let us start now.
Right. So before starting data analytics, let's see here some common questions, guys. Some common queries that everybody is having, right? Like some people ask me, sir, do you require any special qualification to do data analytics? Do you require any special qualification to do data analytics? All of right. Okay. So right. And some people ask me, sir, just what's first one, guys? They ask me, do we need any special qualification? Okay, any special qualification to do data analytics, sir. Some people ask me, sir, we have done okay non-IT degrees are non-IT degree, right? Like we have done some MBA, all of you, some like B pharmacy or M pharmacy, right? Or chemistry background, biotechnology background. So non-IT degree is there, right? Now, so now can we eligible to learn data analytics? Data analytics. Some people say that here, all of you. Sir, I am a fresher, sir. Some people ask me, sir, I am a fresher. I am a fresher, right? Fresher means recently pass out, sir. Recently pass out, right? So can we have opportunities, opportunities on data analytics, sir? As a fresher, can I have opportunities on data analytics, sir? As a fresher, right? Some people ask me, sir, I am or I have experience in non-IT, sir. Non-IT side experience is there, right? Now I want to shift to okay IT side, sir. IT side, right? So for me, okay, is data analytics help me or not? Help me or not? Help me or not? All of you. Or some people like, so they ask me like, sir, I have experience in IT field only. In IT field only, guys. In IT field, they have experience, but they want to boost their salary. They want to increase their salary. Okay. So I want to hike my salary or my package, sir. Hike my package. So is data analytics help me or not, sir? Help me or not? Huh? So like that, guys, lot of people ask this type of questions. Which one on data analytics, guys? Data analytics, right? See, for the first one, guys, what do I say that here? We don't need any special qualification to do data analytics or to become a data analyst person. All of right, we don't need any special qualification. Just we need a normal degree is enough, guys. Any 3 or 4 years degree is enough to become a data analyst. All of you, okay? Sorry. 1 second, guys. That is gone somewhere. Yes. So what equal me? What equal here? Any, right? Okay. So any 3 or 4 years degree is enough. Degree is enough to become which one? To become data analyst, guys. Okay. To become data analyst. That's all. We don't need any special qualification. Just any degree is enough, guys. Any degree is enough to become a data analyst. It can be a normal 3 years degree. It can be BTech, or it can be B Pharmacy also eligible guys to become a data analyst. Any degree, it may be IT degree or non-IT degree, any degree eligible guys. All of you. Okay. You may ask me, sir, if we have non-IT degree, we are eligible for IT na? Yes, guys. Even though you are from MBA, nowadays you are eligible for IT job, either from MBA or whatever it is. Okay. So previously, guys, previously before lockdown, okay. So generally, IT job means like BTech, MTech, MCA. That's main high priority before lockdown. But we know in the lockdown, lot of changes are done in the IT field. Lot of fraud also happened, right? All of you. So then companies, what they're thinking now? Okay, now don't select the people based on the qualification. Check their knowledge first of all. Check their knowledge. As for knowledge, then take the candidates. Not about only BTech. No, he can be BCom, he can be MBA, whatever it is. Check the knowledge first of all. Then take the candidate. That's what happening nowadays, guys. That's why any degree is enough for to become a data analyst. All of you, right? So I have done non degree, right? Eligible? Yes, we are eligible, guys. Okay, even though you are you have done non degree, you are eligible to learn the data analytics, and you are eligible to become a data analyst person. Data analyst person, guys. Yes. Now you can see as a fresher, sir, as a fresher, can I have opportunities on data analytics, sir? Yes. Now all of you observe, see guys, in the market, what is happening? The market generally, freshers means generally they choose either Java, or they choose Python, right? Freshers means nowadays. Okay. Generally, it is a tradition, guys. It's a tradition that a fresher should learn a language. In the olden days, C language, C++, Java, and this Python is all going on now, right? But experienced persons, they should go with like data analytics, data engineering, data science, machine learning, AI testing, like that. We generally we recommend like this generally. But if you see, education system also changed, guys, because previously in BTech days we have own languages. In BTech days, we don't have a machine learning previously, like 8 years back, 10 years back, like that. But now in BTech also, we are having data science, we are having machine learning, we are having AI. All of you, the coming days, this also will be there. Means what is happening here now? Freshers also are eligible for these courses, guys. Now for these courses, freshers also eligible. All of you, because in college days we learn C language very well, but outside on C language no vacancies are there, and outside the market is very fast now, very fast. If you sit for only C++, Java, Python, but market going very fast with the new technologies. That's why college days also they introduced all these courses, guys. Okay, that's what I'm saying here. Freshers also eligible for data science. If you are eligible for data science means you're already eligible for what? Data analytics, data engineering, guys, compulsorily. Okay, that's why what I say here, freshers also happily can learn data analytics and they can become data analyst nowadays. Because the last 4 5 years, guys, a lot of changes are there. Okay, that's what I say here. Yes, freshers also. Yes, freshers are having more opportunities, okay, on data analytics, data engineering, data science, okay, and machine learning, all of it. These all Now possible for freshers also. Freshers also, guys. Okay, right. Next, see. So you have experience in IT, non-IT side, right? Non-IT side, guys, now. But you want to shift to IT side. Yes, it help you more. Helps you more. Why? Because generally, see, you are having experience non-IT side. Means you are lack of programming, right? You don't know the programming more, right? So data analytics is a non-coding subject, guys. These all are non-coding subjects. Means coding are there, but very less coding compared to C, C++, Java, Python. They having a very less coding like Power BI. These all of you. Okay. Moreover, data analytics is having very less coding compared to data science, machine learning, guys. In these two, some coding required, but data analytics, data engineering is having a very less coding. Maybe some 5% coding. That's all. 5% coding, guys. In Java, 100% coding. In Python, 100% coding. But data analytics, data engineering, just 5 to 10% coding only. That's why if you have experience in IT field and programming is 0% means also we can learn very happily data analytics, guys. All of you, okay? So what I say here, as a data analytics is a non-coding skill, okay? Non-coding skill, right? It helps more for whom? For non-IT students, non-IT employees, okay? Non-ITs, guys. Yes. See here, you are saying that I experience in IT field. I want just hike my package. So then DA help me or not? See, you have experience in IT, but maybe different technology. Maybe in a different technology, right? Okay. So here you want hike the package. For that, you want learn which one? Data analytics. Yes. Because guys, see, nowadays, one of the problem the data analytics, all of you, one of the problem or one of the disadvantage of data analytics is what? Lack of all of you, lack of data analyst people, guys. Lack of data analyst only. More opportunities are there, but less people are there. That's one of the disadvantages of data analytics, guys. Because now we have more openings, more vacancies are there, but less people, less professionals are there. That's one of the disadvantages of which one? Data analytics. This means what here? We have more opportunities, guys. We have more opportunities. Now, I'll show you one real-time example. There, you will understand whether data analytics are having more opportunities or not.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and please share videos to your friends also. Thank you.